Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here really quick and share with you all one of my newfound favorite brands, and that is biotrust. I am going to tell you all about it and why I love it so much. So I'm sure by now almost everyone is familiar with the benefits of supplementing with collagen. I mean, it's all the hype, and for good reason. But what you may not know is not all collagen is created equally. So many collagens on the market provide just one or two types, but for the results that you want, you actually need 5 specific types of collagen. And if you're wondering, well, what else makes biotrust different than all the other collagens out there on the market? Let me tell you. So it is totally junk-free, meaning there are no artificial colors, preservatives, or sweeteners. It is also non-GMO, hormone, antibiotic, and gluten-free. It is also super easy to digest because it is naturally hydrolyzed, meaning that it is broken down into peptides that digest rapidly and smoothly. So they currently have 4 flavors, and that is fruit punch, unflavored, which is actually what I have been using, and I have been personally putting it in my coffee because it is actually unflavored, like legit, and it's odorless. So I just put a scoop of this in my morning coffee and I can't even tell, and it's providing me with so many benefits. They also have vanilla and chocolate. Biotrust even tests with third-party labs to ensure purity and potency. So that's huge that they're willing to be transparent with their consumers. And my only other question is, what are you waiting for? Join us on the multi-collagen revolution and check out my link. Hope you guys have a good day.
So I recently shared that I added a collagen supplement back into my routine as part of this whole journey of finding a more healthy routine for my skin and my hair in particular. But collagen is something that I actually used to be really, really good about doing every single day, taking collagen, and then I sort of fell off of it for a while. But I recently added it back in and I've been using a new brand. So I wanted to share that with you. It's called biotrust. And what's different about this is that it's actually a multi-collagen. So I didn't know this before, but not all collagen supplements are necessarily created equally. A lot of them only contain like 1 or 2 types of collagen, and they're typically from a single source. Like you'll see marine collagen, for example, but this one actually has 5 different types of collagen, and it's from 4 different sources. So it's just a much more complete supplement. And it is, gluten-free. It doesn't contain any artificial flavors. It's non-GMO. It doesn't have any hormones added. So those are all very important things whenever you're looking for any sort of supplement. And it comes in 4 different flavors. So it has the original, of course, that doesn't have a flavor, but they also have vanilla, chocolate, and fruit punch. So I personally have been using the vanilla one, and I put it right into my oat milk that I froth with a little cinnamon, and I put that into my coffee, and it's like a little vanilla latte in the morning. It's really, really good. So I've really been enjoying using this. So I will link it here so you can join the multi-collagen revolution with me, and definitely check it out, if you're looking to add a collagen supplement into your routine.